first V8 in the S-Class, and also coupe line with these panoramic windows. Just look at the underneath of this amazing quality. It is mirror-like. You can really move your hands all the way to the back. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we will have the W111 here in Budapest, Hungary, and we will go over the full exterior interior. Amazing is to know that back in 1968 to 71, only diplomats or celebrities, actually industrial owners, they ordered these types of vehicles. Around 2000 I would say. How many are exact left is not really known. So it is extremely rare, and especially in this condition, since it is fully restored from A to Z under one roof at Motor Classic Hungary. And the reason why these types of people drove this car was because it had a V8, the first V8 in the S-Class. And also very nice to know is that this range of Mercedes-Benz, it was the last one that was a full hand-built range. Beautiful with the chrome in the front, these accents, it just shouts status. Beautiful with the Mercedes star in the center. There's also very nice beige leather, and you have so many nice wood accents. And just imagine ordering it back in the days, driving it around with this 3.5 V8 and a beautiful line. This is, by the way, without a B-pillar. If you open the full windows, it looks amazing like this. There you can see the beautiful interior. Also a beautiful coupe line with these panoramic windows in the back, also in the front. Because so many high individual people ordered the car at Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz made sure that the client is king. So it has electric windows, electric sunroof, and this is very special for in that time. In the rear you still see this fin tail, but it was one of the first cars back in its days that was more modern. So now it has become timeless. It will look beautiful in every generation and every century, also for the future. So we see in the back this beautiful chrome parts, and they are all made at Motor Classic Hungary, since they do everything in-house. Also beautiful tail lights, the bumper and the exhaust pipe. Actually, the wall underneath has been taken care of. You can see that as well when you take it on the lift. The attention to detail. Everything that is restorable has been restored. Things like tubes that age, of course, and they have been replaced. So it is in perfect condition. You can drive it around actually on the racetrack as we did. It is just such a stable vehicle. Let's have a look at the inside. I will open the door with the door handle. It looks like the G-Class with the doorknob, but this of course is very authentic. So I can press it, there it opens, and just listen to the sound. So imagine driving this back in the days, you have this heavy door and the sound is perfect. Also down here, just look at the quality guys. The chrome has such a amazing quality, it is mirror-like. Amazing guys. There it opens. So let's go inside. Amazing. In front of me I have the Mercedes star on the hood, and it just feels so luxurious. Such a beautiful small mirror on the side, with of course the chrome on the other side. Amazing. And I have the key right here for Motor Classic Hungary. So I will just insert it, make the electricity work, and then I can show you the power sunroof, which opens and closes very fast. Beautiful for its time. And also modern time, I have to say. Now more light in the interior, we can really enjoy this beautiful beige interior with wood accents, polished wood, also on the A-pillar, also right there at the dash. Amazing. And you yourself can decide what kind of leather or wood you will receive on your W111 S-Class, the last hand-built Mercedes-Benz on the road. And this is also the first S-Class with a V8 3.5 liter. Since it is a coupe, we have 2 more seats without a door in the back. No headrest. But that is basically more for your bags, for shopping. Amazing. Just look at the leather straps over here with the black behind it. Then of course you have your armrest over here. Very soft, beautiful leather quality. And there are also some W111s available at Motor Classic that have not yet been restored. So you can buy them and configure the full interior, exterior for yourself. You decide if you get the white steering wheel or the black one and what kind of route you have. Many other options are also available, such as the floor mats for the trunk, but also the leather inside the doors. Of course, you also have the glove compartment with the lights that automatically lighten up once you open it, and of course the ashtray. Amazing. It has the Becker Europe sound system, air conditioning, defrosting. Amazing, guys. So if you would press the button over here, the rear window opens or closes, and the front window. Amazing. You can also open and close them at the same time. And you notice there is no B-pillar, so you can really move your hands all the way to the back. Such an easy way to be mobile in the vehicle. Also interesting is when you pull this, you activate the alarm lights or the regular lights. Here's the indicators to indicate to the left or right, and with this you can change the gears to neutral, park, reverse, or in a gear. There's also the button for the antenna to appear or disappear, right there in the spot. And it grows, guys, very high for your perfect radio connectivity. Let's check out the chrome details in the back. 280 SE lettering, Mercedes star, and the 3.5. You can open the trunk. You have to insert the key, move it to the left, and then push the button for it to open. Beautiful condition, guys. Just look at the underneath of this trunk. Beautiful leather also around the wheel, which is the cover, and it has these special fin tails on the side, but not as dramatic as its competitors back in the days. So I will close the trunk. You just release it. Just give it a final push. Beautiful sound. Beautiful bumper in chrome in 2 parts, because you also have the lower part which is fully connected. And of course the wheel caps are in the same color as the body. This should match. And Mercedes back in the days also had this nice technique that the inside of the rim had these patterns to cool down the brakes with the airflow. Under the bonnet, it looks phenomenal. Beautiful cover with the Mercedes star in the center. The V8 3.5. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the W111, the 280 SE 3.5 and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.